What's Tata Head's name?
It's a Goby Head.
That's Goby? Tata Head Goby, everyone. Can you say hi to everyone? Happy Easter. Hey. Hey. Twilight Zone. Say hello.
Hello.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
I love you.
I love you.
Blow kisses.
Mama.
Say love you, Grandma.
Love you, Mama.
Love you, Papa.
Love you, Papa.
Love you, Auntie Shelly.
I love you, Sammy.
Love you, Uncle Iggy.
Love you, Iggy.
Love you, Dom.
Love you, Dada.
Love you, new baby.
Love you, baby.
Love you, Auntie Lindsay.
Love you, Mama.
Whoa, okay. Love you, Uncle Stevie.
I love you.
Love you, Cousin Jojo.
Love you,
Love you, Tai Tai. I love all of you.